that I have is the rubber tire packer, and I want to appreciate Mr. Champion for sitting through our meeting. But each year at the Shady Dale Rodeo, it's my understanding that as part of the tractor pull, the rubber tire packer is used between each pull to repack the arena area. And this year, the Shady Dale Rodeo would like to request that piece of equipment again. We would like for this to also not only include the equipment, but a staff member of the work to operate that machinery at that time. And the event is April 6th. Okay, April 6th. We would pay them through the Public Works overtime. Would be my suggestion, unless it's, I don't want to speak on behalf of the rodeo.
How long are we going to be there, Larry?
How long you have to be there? From 3 o'clock to when it ends.
Something like 3 to 10 or something like that.
I can save y'all some money if you want to do like we've done the last 14 years. I've always run the packer for you. At no cost.
And I understand that, but from an accounting standpoint, and this is just me being the county manager, I would prefer a county employee. Not that Mr. Leary can't run the piece of equipment, but it creates a liability anytime we let a non-county employee operate a piece of equipment.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
No disrespect, you probably do it better than our guy can, but there's a big liability. Yeah, our guy's insured, he's not. Just make a long story short.
But that is my opinion.
So what we save on overtime, we can leave.
You have a big check, that's right. That's the problem.
Larry, will you guys, will you be willing to pay that person?
Well, I'd have to bring that before the FFA alumni, because we're the ones that put it on for the school kids. It's really homemade if they raise money for the school district. That's the reason I've always done it. Get all the money that they raise goes to our school kids here.
I make a motion that we send the packer out and with an operator for 7 to 8 hours max.
It's usually over by. I have been out there to 10:30 at night. Most time gets through about 8 o'clock.
Jim, you're going to do some rodeo clowning out there, aren't you? You're going to be the clown out there already this year. Okay.
That's not fair.
Yeah,
listen, I ain't got my hearing aids in tonight. I'm not. What'd you say?
I'll say it.
Is there a motion to authorize?
Yeah.
I make a motion. Motion on the floor by Commissioner Henry to authorize the packer and an operator. Yes. For the Shady Dale Rodeo. All in who's second?
I did.
Second by Commissioner Blue. All in favor of that motion? Tractor pull. I said rodeo, I'm sorry. All in favor of that motion, second, show by the raise of hand. Y'all
Sorry.
go.
Yeah. Sorry.
I'll pass it now. Anything else executive session?
Mr. Chair, that meeting y'all gonna bring it to the rodeo grounds. I've always come and picked it up with my lowboy and brought it to the rodeo grounds myself.
Yeah, we'll bring it to.
Thank y'all for what y'all did.
Saving all liability.